I am going to start a new chapter in accountancy, that is admission of a new partner into firm. Usually a partnership firm need a new partner into the business due to the following reasons. Number one, when business needs more capital for its expansion. Number two, when there is need to have a competent or experienced person in the business for the efficient running of the business. Number three, to increase the goodwill of the business by admitting a reputed person into the firm. And lastly, to encourage the existing employee by taking him or her into the partnership business as a partner. According to section 31 subsection 1 of the Indian Partnership Act 1932, a new partner can be admitted into firm only with the consent of all the existing partners. Admission of a partner into firm leads to dissolution of partnership, that is reconstitution of partnership firm takes place. Here an existing agreement comes to an end and a new agreement comes into existence. Once a new partner becomes a partner into the firm, he or she is right to share in future profits of the business, right to share in the assets of the firm, and besides these two rights, he or she always is also liable for any liability of the firm. On admission of a partner into firm, following adjustments are needed to be done by a firm. Number one, calculation of new and sacrificing ratio. Number two, accounting treatment of goodwill. Number three, accounting treatment of revaluation of assets and liabilities. Number four, accounting treatment of reserves and accumulated profits. And number five, adjustment of capital. Dear student, out of the above 5 conditions or adjustments, 3 are more important, although others are also important, but calculation of new and sacrificing ratio, accounting treatment of goodwill, and adjustment of capital is to be more focused, because while going through the change in existing profit sharing ratio, you must have gone through with the revaluation of assets and liabilities and accumulated profit or reserves. Once a new partner is admitted into firm, the old partners have to sacrifice their part share in profit in favor of new partner to accommodate him or her as a partner into firm. So, dear student, here the question arises, how or why the partners will agree to sacrifice their share in profit for accommodating a new partner. So, for the answer of this is that for their sacrifice, a new partner for becoming a partner into firm has to compensate the old partners of the firm in their sacrificing ratio towards their sacrifice. Another point is that you have to know about the use of old ratio, sacrificing ratio and new ratio. That what are the conditions or what are the situations where you have to apply old ratio, you have to apply the sacrificing ratio, and you have to apply the old ratio, sacrificing ratio and new ratio.